And ho ho ho! It is working! Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ayman, and in today's video we gonna check iPhone X that it won't power on. What can I see here is that phone is fall down from its owner, because this phone came to me from another shop, not directly from the customer. The shop who bring it to me, he didn't tell me any information about it, which make my job more hard. It's very important to know what is the history of the phone before you try to fix it. It will help you, like when you know the situation that this phone wasn't the charger, you go to the charging circuit first. When this phone fall down, it's everything. When a phone fall down from its owner, it's everything in the board you have to check. So when I connect it to a power supply and I press connect, I see it's consuming 1 amp without turning on. When I hit connect, I just connect the power to the board. So that's kind of short. The strange thing is at the beginning, when you press connect, it's consuming 1 amp. Then it goes down to 300 milliamps. And this is something I want to tell you about. That iPower is not effective for short detection. Maybe it has a protection circuit inside, and it's kind of lowering the amps drawn when you connect it to the phone. But this has happened with me many times before. Once I changed the iPower to the normal crocodile cables, I see that the phone drawing the real amp, the high amp, like 1 amp or something. But when I connect it to the iPower, at the beginning, first 1 or 2 seconds, 1 amp, then it goes down to 300 milliamps. So this is kind of VCC main or VBAT short, because I didn't hit the power button yet. I just connect the power to the board. Okay, let's check the board if it has like period repair or no. What I can see that it doesn't have the foam on top of the connectors for the water resistance. Someone peeled it off before it came to me, and I see that someone has broke this, whatever you call it, I don't know what its name. But what I can see also that this phone has never been separated before, because there is no sign of flux or solder balls or solder paste. It's like a factory sealed board. Okay, let's separate those 2 layers. Now I'm using this sunshine machine to separate the board. I like this one. I don't like the mechanic one. It's a piece of crap. Don't buy it. I don't know what happened to mechanic. They are now doing like very cheap, very useless tools. But Sunshine is doing good, doing this kind of preheater. And you can buy those separated for iPhone XS, iPhone X Max, and even the normal iPhone. You can buy those plates. I have a link for them below in the description box. I just set the temperature for 160, 170 degrees. And that's it. That's it. You don't need more than that. If you are using the mechanic one, oh my god, it will take longer, and when you separate the boards, it will not take that long. When you try to connect the 2 boards again, this is the most difficult part. Now I'm gonna remove it from the preheater and let it rest down a little bit. I can confirm that this phone has never been touched before, never separated before, nobody worked with before me. What I really don't like about the two layers board, those beds are really weak beds. So when the phone fall down, those beds will get removed. As you can see, those three beds should be in the other side, in the other layer, and I see it's important beds because it has like vias here, have like this three via. So this is responsible about something. I don't know what it is right now, but I don't care about them right now till I find out where is my short and solve it. Then I will do 3 jumper for those beds. So let's check if the short is in the upper layer or in the down layer. And I hit connect, and yes, there is a short still on that board consuming 300 milliamps. Okay, so let's check the other board if it has a short. Let's go to ZXW. It's an Intel board, so we're gonna choose iPhone X Intel. Let's go to battery connector, and yeah, those are the battery test points. I can connect to those or those. So let's go to the other board and check if there is a short also. I guess it's here near the connector. Let me double check. Yes, near the 2 connector, 1, 2, 3, 2 and 3. Red on the ground, and here, oh my god, I have 2 shorts. Very nice. That's weird, because I never had 2 shorts before. But as I said, when the phone fall down, it's everything. Now we have 2 shorts. Let me use my fancy thermal camera with layer 1 and check if it will show me where is that short. I don't know why this thermal camera is lagging. I told Chun-Li about the issue, but they told me install the software again. I did it and it's still lagging. So if someone owns the same camera and have the same issue and he actually find how to solve it, please tell me in the comment. I would appreciate it so much. So I'm doing the focus and it's actually very late to show me the image. That's why it's confusing. Okay, that's enough. What you can see here is glowing. It's the metal It's not the short. I didn't connect the board to power yet. Right now I will connect 1, 2, 3. And it's connected, and I see that the board initially showed me like temperature in the down left corner, but then yeah, it goes. That's what I say about the iPower. That's what I say. It's not the proper things to use when you have short. That's what I say. Okay, let's check the other side. Connect. And you can see the short is in the area of that I guess charging IC. Oh yeah, that's the MOSFET, and this is the Tigris. Yes, so I guess it's another VCC main short, and it's showing me that the MOSFET is the one it's heating first. Yeah, let's confirm that. Let's confirm that. But I'm sure it is. Shut up. I have a big fan, that's why the smoke flies away. Okay, hit power on. Yes, confirmed. It's the MOSFET. Okay, we remove the MOSFET, then we do a jumper, so we see the next candidate for that short. Yes. I'm gonna keep you here, and let's check where is the VDD main. Okay, I can see here 3 legs, the BB bad VCC, and these 5 legs are the VDD main. So I need to connect those 2 together. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine for testing. The board is hot. We give it a little rest, then we check it under the thermal cam. Hit the power button. Not the power button, sorry, to connect. Hit to connect the power to the board, and I can see something near the CPU. I can see something happening near the CPU. Let me press this one. Yes, I see something here. Okay, let's bring the board under the microscope again. I see something happening in this corner. Okay, connect power again. and I don't see anything because the short is not making too much heat, and the rosin need more heat to evaporate, so it will not work finding small shorts like that. I'm gonna use the freeze spray. Just clean it with alcohol first. Okay, connect. Even freeze spray is not showing me what that thing which component is shorted. Hit connect. Okay, it's not showing me. I'm sure that's the corner. Let me use the normal crocodile cable and see how much amps it will draw. I'm talking about this cables, normal cables, not something fancy like iPower. No protection circuits, but I just need to take a wire from the battery line to connect the crocodile wire to. That's enough. And now connect positive to positive, negative to negative. Oh, 5 amps. 5 amps. When it's 5 amps, I can detect it very easily by the rosin. I like rosin because it's not evaporating fast. I put back in the same place. Okay, now we connect. Positive to positive, negative to negative, and I check that my jumper is not touching anything else. And I hit the power button. When I hit the power button, now it will connect power automatically to the board. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we have a winner! I wonder, he look very intact, like not broken, not oxidized, nothing. It looks very good, but how it's doing the short, that's beyond me. No solder balls, nothing. I am not going to use any heat in that area because what you see here is the CPU, or maybe little heat, very little can help, and heatsink for protection as well. This is like the best place to find the short. It's exactly near the CPU, exactly touching the CPU. Come on, come on. Move, bastard. Oof. I scratch the chip a little. I don't think that would do anything. Now let's check again for short. And hit the power button. And 0 amps. 0 amps. So short number 1 is cleared. Let me remove the wire. Now we connect iPower and turn on, and 70 milliamps. This is iPhone X Intel. 70 milliamps mean DFU mode. If you have iPhone X Intel baseband, it will go to the DFU mode when you separate the boards. If you have the Qualcomm version, it will open and run, of course with no touch, because the touch is in the down layer of the board. But now this is in DFU mode, and I guess we are fine till we find the other short in the other board. Okay, what would you think it will be? Capacitor or chip? Let's see. Now I need to connect to the 2 points, the PP-BAT VCC points, but I don't want to risk these 2 points by connecting a wire to it and make it like easy to break. Let's go check where are the test points in the backside. This is VDD main. Let's check here. Where in the backside? Where? It is here. Yes. The first or the second? It's the first two. Good. The first two. So I will connect my jumper to the first two. It will make it harder, not easy to break. Go away. Now we go back to the normal cable, the crocodile one. What? There is no short? How come? How come? How come there's no short? What happened? The short is gone wirelessly. When I checked the first, when I removed the first short, I got the second one free. What happened? There's no short. It's OL. What? Oh God, no! I am very, very, very stupid because all the time I have been checking this too, and I should check this too. Oh my God, excuse me guys, I'm very, very stupid for doing that. There's no short in the second layer. I guess we are fine. Honest mistake could happen to anyone. But now I want to know what are those three points, three pads. What are those? Is it important? I bet they are. Okay, let's see on the XW. They are ground. They are ground. And I'm sure about it this time. They are ground. So let's test that phone. Let's give it a test. Without assembling it, I have this tool. From Sunshine as well. I'll link for it in the description. And here you can put the downside of the board. Then you add this. Then you add the top side. And close. Ahmad, give me a screen. And ho ho ho! It is working. Let's wait till it boot up. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. I hope, and I hope you get a value from watching it. And as you can see, what work? Okay, I'll let it boot again. It opened already, but because I didn't connect the touch, I cannot keep it on. I cannot keep the screen on. Excuse my English. I'm not. I didn't practice English for a long time, and that's one of the reasons that I made this channel in English, so I can practice my English more. Long time I cannot find. I'm not working with a friends or colleagues who speak English natively. And here's the phone. Here you can see. Oh God, you don't see. Okay, I'll keep it like that. So I'm getting it back. I'm getting it back. So excuse me if you if my English is annoying to you, but this is who I am. I'm not native English speaker. And show me your support so I can continue doing this by commenting. Here it is. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. If you like this video, type in the comments below, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I don't know why every time I'm finishing a video I just want to say like it just come to my head. I hope you learned something from this video, but I will sound like I'm copying Louis Rossmann. I don't want to copy anybody. Louis is a great guy, so I hope you learned something. And as always, my work here is done, and I will see you next one.